You're my size.
Yeah. All right.
Let me mess with you, and you can't.
We're at the dealership now, and Phil, he hasn't tried to talk me into buying another bike yet. But here's that Road Glide Limited. It's nice. I like that Atlas Silver too. That's sharp too, man. Ooh, now, believe it or not, I like that two-tone on this. I'm definitely a chrome guy better, but I like that two-tone gray. Let's see how much. 39. I bet 34. Where is it at? 34, 739. Price as displayed. 1,500 cash back. I mean, I actually like that color better than I do the gold, believe it or not. Even though that's me, the flat. But that right there, that's good. Yep, I like that one right there. She's got the crash bars already on it. Chrome. Let's see. This thing says, okay. Yeah, I gotta say, I gotta be honest with you. I like that. I like the light gold pinstripe. It's got the RDRS. I would want the heel toe shifter though. And it's not a heated seat. Okay, how much is the Street Glide Ultra Limited? 36. I like the Road Glide better. I like the Road Glide better.
Now,
There's the man.
Was caught on Facebook at the dealership.
Oh, we're always there.
Oh, I know.
There is the CVO Street Glide. I prefer the Road Glide. It actually feels smaller when I got on it on my bike. Let's see. $49, $55. It's got the markup on it. Right. Oh, check it out. The black. That's nice. But you need the crash bars, saddlebag bars. I like the t-shirt, man. I like the jacket too. Say hello.
Hi.
Hi.
I was
No,
trying to avoid your video, and then you put me in it anyway.
This is for my YouTube channel, Little Scott's World. So, all right. Thank
We're
you.
famous now.
Absolutely, absolutely. All right. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Okay.
We were trying to not mess the video up.
No, y'all did not. Thank
We
you.
just made it better.
Exactly. Absolutely. All right. I don't need another shirt, but I'm looking for one. I'd have to smash it in if I bought it. All right, let me shut this